It's another Sunday morning and dog walking time, and today we're going up a few local bridleways that is just... This is all just a 5-minute drive from home. Nicely off the main tourist trail. We're actually not all that far from the Offansdyke footpath, which we'll join in a minute. But these bridled ways are so lovely and quiet. I feel like singing "The holly and the ivy, when they are both full grown, of all the trees that are in the woods, the holly bears the crown." This is a view I grew up with. That was my grandparents' place, just there, Spring Farm on Brockway Common. And we lived 2 fields down over at what was Woodspring Cottage, but it's now called Belfield, I believe. But we had all this as a play area when we grew up. It's on Brockway Common in the Wye Valley. Beautiful. Oh, and the nearest road is in that direction. Again, 2 fields away, and it's only like a minor single track road. And when people say, well, when I say I was brought up in the middle of a field, people look at you aghast and think, did she really? But yes, we really did. We're now going to walk a short stretch of the Offansdyke path. Only a very short stretch. We've actually walked the full length, Alistair and I, back in the late 1990s, I think it was. We took the train to Prestatyn and backpacked the route all the way home. I've spent the rest of the morning cleaning up the conservatory because it was in a hell of a mess since we installed the wood burner, which is really packing out some heat at the moment. I got on there smokeless coal, so as the neighbours don't complain. The rest of the house is a shit heap, but it's nice in here. I'm going to spend the rest of the day in here now. The chickens are all doing well. They've been with us a whole week now, and I think we've had about, 12 eggs in that week. Hello, ladies. Okay? Yeah, I know. Ooh. Hello. We finally know which is which. The darker brown one is Miss Perch. The one with the white band on her leg is Miss Harmony. And the one with the black band is Mrs. Proud. Oh, we're so busy. Are you watching your chickens, Alf? You been a good boy? Oh, you're a good boy. You watched them all day, couldn't you?